Trees looking good. Fruit density high. Moisture levels stable.
We should note the slight imperfections on this one.
Okay, updating the vigor score now.
As you can see by the texture, the mineral content is crucial for supporting robust pomegranate growth.
The moisture level here is stable at 55%.
Good. Let's increase the drip time by 10 minutes on the next row.
The latest fertility metrics suggest we adjust the localized feed here.
Reading stable at 50 psi. The automated cycle is running smoothly.
The success rate on this row is outstanding, well above the projection.
That means the yield should be excellent this quarter.
It meets the brick standard. These look ready for phase 1 harvest. Brix levels are stable.
Confirmed. Logging the data.
All right, team. Inspection results are positive. We are green for harvest. Keep the pace steady and maintain the food safe standards.
Morning, everyone. Please remember the selective picking process. We only harvest the ripest fruit, ensuring every piece meets our quality standards before crating.
Equipment check complete. We can begin the harvest now.
Focus on the 24s.
Understood, Supervisor.
Keep the line moving smoothly. Next crate ready.
Check that one right there. It looks a little soft.
We must uphold the inspection standards.
Pressure holding steady at 50 psi.
Application rate is uniform across all belts. We are clear for continuous operation.
Drying times confirmed. The fruit is flawless and ready for the next phase.
Look at this throughput anomaly on line 3.
I see it. Adjusting the sensitivity now.
Make sure the grade A bins are moving smoothly. Already on it, they're clearing fast.
This lot shows significant sunburn.
Documented. Sending to the diversion tank.
Defect code 04, severe bruising. The percentage is up from yesterday. Yes, we need to adjust the conveyor speed on line 3.
Good copy, moving forward.
Okay, that's the final check on the Environmental Standards Protocol.
Confirmed. All byproducts accounted for.
Zero audit risk achieved.
Temperature holding steady at 35.
Noted. Applying the traceability tag.
Everything aligned for the Dallas shipment.
Verified. Confirmed.
The data is logged and tracked. Received the shipment. We have 2 damaged cases of cereal on pallet 4, segregated in the blue bin, awaiting disposition instructions.
That's the pomegranate juice. It's guaranteed fresh.
Perfect, thank you.
Temperature check complete, holding at 3.
Confirmed. Seal the container.
Yes, everything is within range.